Right, good morning, day 2. I'm feeling a little bit dusty after last night. We went out and I didn't get home till maybe 1:30ish. Bit of an old man these days, so I'm feeling a bit dusty. We are back here for day 2 to get it finished. One of the parts I just bought fell on the ground, but we've already just taken the roof off. And we went and picked up some stuff. The issue was I'm trying to film everything I can, but I just went to a little part shop and picked up some bits. I did ask if I could film in there, but they said no, so I got to respect everybody. But we got some radiator caps for the front and the back because they're buggered. I got some Loctite, some 3-bond, and as you can see, I'm doing this completely unprompted. Jugga-jung. New gear knob. So yeah, today we're going to get the fluids done, all that stuff, all that good stuff that's over there, and we're going to rip into it. Hopefully I can get it all finished today. That is the goal. So let's go. I haven't really been able to film very much today, purely just because I think the tiredness is actually just trying to catch up with me. We got in late, and then I did a couple of little bits and pieces on the car. Then we ended up having to go for then we went for ramen, but then there was a bit of a wait, a bit of a line. So we've only just kind of got back. But I'll show you what I've been up to. She's all back together. Thank God. That is not a fun job at all. The J's gear knob is on. We have wired in a makeshift ETC card for our trip. New cap on the front, new cap on the rear, and I have just whipped out the old fuel pump. Not rusty in the tank, thank God. However, luckily, I heard these things are real bad for fuel pumps. This one looks like it's older than my children. So I'm just going to quickly pull this out. Hopefully I got the right kit. Believe it or not, there is still quite a few parts available for this thing, but not everything. So let's just make sure we got the right kit. So straight out of the bat, the sock is different. So I don't know if this has been changed or not, but the sock's different. Gasket looks semi-different. Might be the wrong one, boys. Hose. Oh no. So we either have an updated fuel pump or look at the difference. Much different. So I will see what to do here. Stand by. Wow. This is kind of like a modern Denso motorsport pump. This pump here, I have no plug for it, so I'm probably going to have to roll the dice on that one. We'll have to see how it goes. You order pump? No good?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Alright, well that one.
Why is different?
I don't know.
I don't know. なぜこうなったのか僕にはわからない。
Insert translation. Okay, we will have to roll the dice on that one because, as I said, these are renowned for killing fuel pumps, and we have a long way to go, over 1,000 kilometers. So hopefully, okay, maybe not okay.
Not okay.
Maybe okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. You like pushing? You like push car? Push?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
no
yeah.
problem.
No problem. All right, we will keep going. I guess I better do the fluids now. Stand by. Well, I'm freezing cold. I'm tired, but it's running. Ta-da! One running beat, as you can see. All back together. All the fluids changed. Got that Mugen Alpha, new MTF down there. Look at it. How awesome is that? all running. But what you really want to hear is a big boy sound clip. Oh fuck yeah. I'm actually really excited about this little nugget. Got the J's Racing knob on there. I just gotta put the interior back together now. Pretty stoked. And I gotta burn all this shit off the, you know, the handprints and whatnot. But look at it! Look at it, look at it, look at it! So excited! And I gotta take that out, because that's useless. Yup! Next clip you will see is me hooning this car. Maybe. I gotta get it back together before it gets dark. Sun's going down. Gotta get it done. Oh, look, interrupting the first take already. I'm lucky today. I have an assistant holding the camera. Look, I'm free. Yeah. My friend Nori is actually holding the camera today, which is great. So, last night we did get the car back together. But it was very, very dark, so there was no point in putting the cameras on and going for a drive. So we're going to go for our first drive today. I've chucked the GoPros on the car and we're going to go get some gas because it's got no gas in it, and we're going to go for a drive around Shizuoka City quickly while Matsu is working. So yeah, should be good. First drive in the beat. Hopefully I don't push it back.
I cannot speak English. No.
Mechanic
Hello.
today.
私は日本人です。英語は喋れませんよ。
Yeah, look, he's repairing this. What is it? Prius. Rockin' Prius. Race car. Anyone want to buy a minivan? There's plenty of those around. Oh look, over there is Nori's Aqua. Yeah, we raced one of those at Fuji. How many years ago? How many years ago did we race one at Fuji?
It's maybe 20.
We raced one of those at Fuji Speedway, one of those Toyota Aquas. Yeah, maybe 10 years ago?
Almost.
Yeah. Not a good race car, but very fun. Just before I go on this drive too, I just noticed this sick as Accord hybrid in Matsui's car park. It's one of his customers' cars, and he said I can film it, no worries. I suppose, you know, now the world's going towards electric cars and shit like that, hybrids are obviously more and more popular, so I reckon this is a hybrid done right. This is way cooler than any Prius or anything that we see at home anyway. Check this out. So it's a late model Accord. It's absolutely boned. It's pretty much tucking wheels. That is absolutely sick. Like, I'd daily that. I don't know about you guys, but like, look at it. It's got the full leather interior, absolutely boned. It's cool as. Not sure what the wheels are. Carazone? I'm not sure. I don't know that brand. Obviously not too much of a JDM boy, am I? But like, that Honda Accord is absolutely sick. It's jammed. I don't know. Just thought maybe you'd like to see something. This is kind of what you see driving around if you're talking like common traffic. It's either little K cars or hybrids really in Japan at the moment. So it's a late model. Well, I don't even think we get these in New Zealand, this late model, but very cool. Very, very cool. Well, that was my first gas fill up. I haven't used a Japanese gas station in maybe 8 years or something, so that was interesting. Nori gave me a hand, so I got it. It only takes 20 litres of fuel, and it was 40,000 yen, so 50 bucks to fill, Kiwi. Not bad. Well, that concludes our first drive. We went to the gas station. Luckily, Nori gave me a hand using the gas pump because I kind of don't remember how to do it. Things are a little bit different at the moment too, different than they used to be. So it was 20 litres, which was 50 New Zealand dollars or something like that to fill. So that's awesome. But yeah, first drive from here, Matsu's shop, to the gas station, and then down to the Shizuoka seaside, and then back to the shop. Car drive's absolutely amazing. It's kind of like I don't really know how to explain it. If anyone's driven an NA1 NSX, I'm not saying it's the same, but it's the same type of feeling. It's really raw. You can feel the engine like vibrating through the car, and that 9,000 RPM rev limit's never going to get old. I didn't quite take it all the way to 9.5, but it was epic. So yeah, first drive, pretty stoked. Car drove flawlessly, and it sounds badass. I am so looking forward to taking this away now. I was a bit apprehensive, but it was well worth it. It definitely doesn't have a lot of grunt. You have to row it through gears to make it do anything, but it doesn't matter. It's about the experience, right? That is the little nugget. First drive, couple of days, replaced the timing belt and some other bits and pieces. Was well worth it. So that concludes that side of it. Well, the repair anyway. Now we can do a bit more filming, a bit more traveling stuff, because we're going to be going down country and whatnot. So I'll be able to bring you a little bit more content of sort of like what Japan's like. Obviously I got to respect everybody, so some places in Japan they don't want you to film, so I gotta be aware of that. But yeah, I'll show you as much as I can now that I'm kind of going to be traveling down country. And then we're going from Osaka back to Tokyo in that. So should get a little bit more interesting for you guys from here. All right.